Hello students, today we are going to start with chapter number 3, creating files and folders. What is a file? Whether we make some drawing in MS Paint or do some typing in WordPad or MS Word, we save our work in computer by giving it a name. That means whatever work we do on computer, it is saved or stored as a file. And every file is identified with a name. When you save your songs on computer, or we are using the music file, and when we download some videos from the internet or some movies, we are working with the video files. When we copy our pictures from mobile to the computer, again we are using the image or picture files. That means whatever work we do on computer, that is saved as a file in computer. So, a file is a collection of information or data, and that information or data can be text, images, pictures, music or videos. Okay. Now, what is a folder? A folder is a collection of files and subfolders. That means it is used to organize your files in a proper manner. It is used to store all of your files and organize them on your computer so that you can easily find them. Now, what is a subfolder? A subfolder is a folder that is placed inside another folder. For example, you do your English work or math work in your English notebook and your math notebook. So your daily work is like a file and you are storing your files in your English notebook. That means your English folder, and your math work or your math files in your math notebook. That means your math folder. When all of these folders, that means your notebooks, are kept in the bag. That means a bag is like a big folder that is you going to store all of your subfolder, that is your English notebook as well as math notebook, Punjabi, science or every subject's notebook. So every notebook acts as a folder that is used to store files, that is your daily work, and your bag will act as a big folder that will store your subfolders. That means a folder inside the another folder. So, what is Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is a program that lets you to manage files and folders efficiently. That means you can use your folders in the similar way to organize your files in your computer. It allows you to view, create, copy, move, rename, delete, or search files and folders. That means this window will allow you to create new folders, and it also allows you to copy or move the folders from one place to another. And if you do not need any file or folder, you can delete them also. And it also allows you to search for a particular file. If your folder is having so many files, more than 10, 20, 50 or 100 files, you can use the search box to search for your files. Now let's see the various components. This is your navigation pane, that is your left pane, in which all the list of folders and drives is displayed. And this is your file list pane, in which a list of all the files will be displayed, which folder has been selected in this navigation pane. Okay, this is your address bar. It will show you the address of the folder, currently selected folder. And this is your search box, in which you can type the word or the file name that you want to search. Okay, see, this is the Windows Explorer window, in which this is your left pane, that is your navigation pane, and this is your right pane, that is your file list pane. Here you can see that in the address bar, documents folder has been selected and its contents are displayed in this file list pane. Now these arrows, we can scroll it down. Now these arrows, as you can see here, these arrows indicate that this folder has subfolders. If I click on this arrow, it will display the subfolder inside it. I will show you more. Look here. Here I am having this downloads folder. I am clicking in this arrow. This is giving me the list of subfolders. If I click on any subfolder, it will show me the contents of that folder in the file list pane. This is your address bar. This will show you the address of this currently selected folder, that is the third B. This folder is inside the downloads folder, and downloads folder is further inside the this PC folder. This is your address bar. This is your back button, and this is your forward button. Click on this back button to move back to the previous folder. Before third B, we were working with the documents folder. It goes back to this documents folder. If I click on forward, it will come back to the third B folder that we were viewing. Okay, these are the back. This is your forward button. Okay, this is your up button. Up button will give you the folder before this third B. That means the third B folder is inside downloads folder. So one level up is downloads folder. If I click here, it will show me the contents of downloads folder here. If I go one step up more, it will give me the contents of this PC. This is your back and this is your up folder. Okay. Okay, let's see how you can create a folder in your computer. Before creating a folder in your computer, first of all, select the location where you want to create a folder. For example, I want to create a new folder in documents. I click in the documents folder. Documents contents are displayed here, and I can click on this new folder button in the toolbar. I click here, it will show me a new folder at the bottom with the by default name new folder, and cursor is also there. I can directly type a name. For example, I am typing a name class 4th and press enter. It will create a new folder. Second method to create a new folder is right click in the file list pane, choose new option, and then folder option. Click on it. A new folder has been created again with the new folder name. Type the name of the folder that you want to give. Suppose I am giving it as important files and press enter key. Then it will create a new folder also. So there are two methods. One, new folder button in the toolbar. Second, right click in the file list pane and choose the new and then folder option. I hope you understand the today's topic. Now read the page number 19 to 24 in your book. Thank you.